tell me where you are, tell me where you are. Summer nights, bright lights, and the shooting stars still break my heart. Calling you now, but you're not picking up. Shadows so close, if that's still enough. Light a match, baby, in the dark. Show me where you are. Oh, love, how I miss you every single day when I see you on those streets. Oh, love, tell me there's a river I can swim that will bring you back to me. I don't know how to love someone else. I don't know how to forget your face. Oh, love, God, I miss you every single day and now you're so far away. Light 'em up, tell me where you are, tell me where you are.
Hello beautiful, thank you so much for clicking this video. Hope you are preparing yourself for upcoming Valentine's Day. Today I came up with this look for you. This is a very classic Valentine's Day look which is perfect for your Valentine. I wish he is here right now. This look is totally incomplete without my husband, and I want to dedicate this video to my husband and Anand. If you are watching this video, I just want to say I love you and I don't want to spend one more Valentine's Day without you. It's been 2 years of our marriage and আমি এখন পর্যন্ত কোনো Valentine's Day পালন করিনি তোমাকে নিয়ে, but I really want to make sure যে next year আমরা একসাথে Valentine's Day পালন করছি no matter what, and I want to dedicate this video for you. This look is incomplete without your love. So this is a short message for my husband Anand. If you are single, don't worry, just create this look and spend your whole day with your family and friends. If you want to know how I created this look, just keep on watching. I'm going to use this Cassie from the Juvia's Place Magic Palette and applying it all over my eyelid. Use this Nana shade from the Magic Palette and applying it on my crease area. I'm going to use this Shimmy shade from the Begum True Palette and again applying it on the outer crease of my eyes. I'm going to use this Money shade from Begum True Palette. You will face a little bit fallout, so that make sure to tap the excess product. I'm going to blend this on my outer area and slowly I will blend this into my inner eye corner. I'm blending the Money shade and slowly build up the color with the other shade I applied before. My Sigma E40 brush again and blending the shadow all together, because I want a seamless look. Next eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Alpana eyeshadow from the Begum True Palette. Spraying my brush. I'm going to use this Tamina eyeshadow from the Begum True Palette. Applying it with a wet brush. Eyeshadow on my crease area because I want to connect the golden eyeshadow and the Alpana eyeshadow all together. Now to intensify the look, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty highlighter Trophy Wife. Make the look a little bit pop. Mix the Money and Alpana shade and blending this on my outer V area. That I'm using my Sigma F40 brush. Now I'm going to apply a random black shade on my outer V area. I'm just tapping, not blending. Then I'm going to use my Sigma F40 brush again and blending this all together. I'm going to apply eyeliner. I already did my eyelashes off camera. Actually, I forgot to push the record button while I am recording my application. But now I will tell you what I did on my lower lash line. I applied Shiny eyeshadow from the Truffle palette, and then Moni eyeshadow, and then a random black color, and already blended all together on my lower lash line. I'm taking the Nana eyeshadow from the Magic palette and applying it on the lower lash line. To make my eyes a little bit bigger, I'm going to apply a white eyeliner on my waterline. Highlighting my inner eye corner, I'm going to use Ratno highlighter. To intensify the inner eye corner highlighter, I'm going to wet my brush with the Fix Plus and then take the trophy wipe and applying it on my inner eye corner. See, the highlighter is popping right now. So it's a trick that if you want to make your highlighter look pop, you need to wet your brush with Fix Plus. This is what I do all the time to make my highlighter look pop. For highlighter, I'm taking the Sania highlighter from the Begum True palette, blending it on my cheekbone. For the highlighter, I'm going to wet my brush. I'm going to apply the Sania highlighter on bridge of my nose and tip of my nose. Apply mascara on my lower lash line. Changed my outfit and I'm going to apply the blush again. To line my lips with the MAC Review lip liner. I'm going to apply my favorite liquid lipstick, which is Colourpop Arriba. So yeah, this is the final look. Hope you like it. I always prefer red and pink color for Valentine's Day because these two colors complement Valentine's Day perfectly. And that's it. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to click thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button beside subscribe button. In this way you will get the notification whenever I upload a new tutorial. See you in my next video. Bye beautiful. Mwah.